Alright guys, wanted to show you what it's looking like, and everybody is stripping, including myself. I mean, it snowed here before, not a whole lot though. This is like extremely beyond. Oops, about to bust my butt. This is white. It's all white. All white. Neighbors are out. Look at this. Cars are covered in snow. It's crazy. There's the grass, baby. This is all right. All right, let's go to the backyard. Now I get a lot of questions from you guys. You know, you inundate me with a lot of questions on how we plow snow here in the South. And I'm about to show you how we do it different to you guys up north. Now guys, keep in mind, we get this, all the time. So we are extremely good at what we do. Unlike you guys up there in the north, that you get it what? We get snow a whole lot down here, so we are experts. Here we go. Like you guys, we don't use snow shovels, we use snow brooms. Technique, Greg. Technique, guys. Technique. All right, guys. This is the pups' first time out in the snow. Let's see how they react. Ready? Come on. Oh, it's snow. It's snow, guys. Come on. Yeah. Man. And again, guys, you might not think this is a big deal, but here it is. Everyone is out. School is closed. Roads are closed. It is something else. Come on, guys. Woo. How many inches, Scoop? Probably about 4. Yeah, 3 to 4.
Yeah, 3.
About 3 to 4. This is something else. Yeah, but this is it, guys. Snow in the South. Right, Bella? Snow in the South? Yeah. Come here, Tank. What's wrong, Bella? You don't like it? You don't like the snow? Hmm? Hey guys, let me show you our southern snowman. Good job, man.
Thank you. Okay.
A southern snowman.
What happened to a fire to get it over? They're not what fires are right there.
Not sure.
We should get fire.
To you guys, this may not be a big deal, but listen, this is like once in a lifetime here in the South. Woo. we're the only crazy ones.
I'm gonna go check on everybody else.
Look at my car, guys. Ice. Yeah. Yep. There's the grass, guys. Snow, snow, snow. It is really coming down now, guys. Look at that. Woo-wee.
Dang, it's actually really coming down now.
It is. All right, guys, I want to take this time to wish you all a joyful and prosperous 2018. Make all your wishes, and you hear the neighbors, make all your wishes come through. And to all my subscribers, thank you. I appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. And guys, again, have a wonderful 2018. Take a little bit of chance, guys. You know, if it's something that you were thinking about, you see, neighbors out there playing. The dogs are tripping. There they go. Come on. Come on. My two attack dogs. Again, guys, have a good one. Peace.